Hello guys! Finally, my very first Luffy Gear 5 figure has arrived. So ito yung i-unbox natin ngayon. So if you're planning to buy this figure, ito yung dapat na makita nyo sa box. This is the front of the box. And then ito yung left side ng box. Going to the right. Ito yung dapat nyong makita. And then at the back. At the bottom, and of course, on top, ito yung makikita nyo. Make sure na nandun yung Toei sticker logo. So we have here the golden Toei sticker. Meaning, without a doubt, this figure is authentic. Alright, let's start unboxing. Inside the box, you should get this clear stand. And then we have here the clear base. At the bottom of the base, you should see, let me just focus the camera. You should see this Bandai logo, plus the embossed letters Bandai Spirits made in China. So all you need to do is to combine both the stand and the base. Now let's examine our main figure. Alisin na lang muna natin itong plastic wrapping niya. Now here's Monkey D. Luffy in his Gear 5 form. So this is the awakening form of Luffy's Devil Fruit, Gomu Gomu no Mi. Similar dun sa anime, his hair and clothes are white and he has this white cloud float around his neck. Similar yan dun sa Clouds of Steam na nakikita natin whenever Luffy transforms into Gear 4. This figure looks nice and you can see some details dun sa short ni Luffy. And even dun sa ilalim ng sleepers niya. And because of the good sculpting details, you can feel the texture of Luffy's straw hat. Maayos din yung pagkaka-paint dito sa figure and I don't see any excess paints, especially dun sa mukha ni Luffy. Yung pose pala ng figure na to is kagaya nung pose ni Sun God Nika nung hindi pa nare-reveal kung sino si Joy Boy. One more thing to check or validate to ensure the authenticity of this figure is that you should see the BSP China embossed letters underneath Luffy's shirt. Now let's combine Luffy and his clear base stand. So sa kanyang upper right leg, meron dyang hole where you can insert the protruding peg of the base stand. So it goes like this. And here's Luffy Gear 5 with the base. So para siyang nagpo-float sa air. Now, i-measure natin yung height ng ating figure kasama yung base. So, the height of this figure with the base is approximately 9 inches or 23 centimeters. And then for the length or width, we have like approximately 4.5 inches or 11.5 centimeters. And for the weight, this figure weighs around 150 grams. Now let's do a side-by-side comparison with Kaido, Beauty and the Beast. I mean, King of the Beast. Kidding aside, if you compare this figure with the Figuarts Zero Extra Battle Kaido, I would say the scale was just right. So, pwede nyo siyang i-display together. Ayan, kita nyo naman parang inis na inis si Kaido habang si Luffy happy lang, di ba? At syempre, sana ikaw din happy. Now let's give Luffy a quiet time and stare at his very joyful Gear 5. Video. If you want to see more videos like this, please do subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. Thank you. Godspeed.